Good morning. Uh, Today is May 28th, 2024. And since I have already at least uploaded 2 vlogs about the places we've been nung January at nung birthday ko, I've decided I would like to start my vlog now. So actually, I would like to entitle it I would like to put the title as I am a mother, please listen to me. So, ano lang, parang going back like 10 years ago when what was in was still blog. I've been trying to do that, but I guess writing it down is not really my forte, unlike the vlog. Pero ang tagal ko pa rin, gusto kong mag-vlog. Nag-TikTok ako 3 years ago. Nagkaroon ako ng account a year ago lang. And now, gusto ko nang mag-vlog to reach out to the youth. I don't know what generation it is now, but it's the youth na nakikita ko kasi na ang laki na ng ipinagkaiba than before. Especially when it comes to teenage pregnancy. So, technically, ang gusto kong i-reach out yung mga teenagers o yung anyone who has a capacity or capability of procreating. So, doon ako mag-start mag-reach out. Of course, pwede ko naman siyang i-mix ng halimbawa, gusto kong mag-review ng mga products na nabili ko na sa TikTok. Nung na-addict ako sa TikTok shop, I actually spent 34,000 yon. Talagang inad ko siya for 3 months pa lang yon. So that was April, May, June of last year, 34,000. Tapos, until now, bumibili pa rin ako. At I would say, nabubudol ako ng mga pangit na advertisement pa rin hanggang ngayon. So, yung mga tipong ganon, tapos pwede ko rin naman yung mga, kahit hindi na about teenagers, the teens, or the generation that I would like to reach out, yung mga siguro daily encounters ko, pwede ko rin i-add dito yung syempre, i-add dito yung tungkol sa past ko, yung sa generation ko, and comparison usually. So, FYI lang, disclaimer, lahat naman ng sasabihin ko would only be based on experience. So, wala siyang hindi siya parang based on studies or what, just experience the things I saw during my generation and the things I'm seeing in this generation. So I hope I would be able to reach as much as teenagers or anybody who has capability of procreating and at least enlighten them. Kasi masyado ng maraming unwanted pregnancies. Yun talaga ang gusto kong ma-reach out. Unwanted pregnancies regardless of age. So, I am a mother. Please listen to me.